friends, on this memorable occasion of 25th anniversary of Apilpa, I will be feeling, if I do not remember, late Shri Kanti Pathak, who with the like-minded people formed the association named as Apilpa. From that day onwards, the Apilpa has taken the progressive steps, and I wish them all success in the life.
Ipilpa. It shows our sincerity, strength, and the discipline and unity. We wish everybody all the success.
Hello, myself Vivek Mangaonkar, current General Secretary of Epilpa, have been associated with the association since its inception, that is November 1994. On this occasion of the Silver Jubilee, I fondly remember Shri Kanti Pathak, whom we lovingly called as Bapuji, Shri S.D. Mane, the old guards of the association, and other enterprising members of the association who were the building blocks and the founding members. I am sure they will be happy seeing the present growth and the enthusiasm shown by all members, especially the young members, in sharing the knowledge, building the organization, and bringing in technical advancement for furthering the mission of Epilpa, thus getting it deep-rooted among the members and non-members. With the changing time, the time has come to change guard and hand over the mantle to the young Turks to carry the torch of knowledge and unity. I wish all success and the bright future to my organization.
Hi, on the occasion of the 25th anniversary, we can all agree that the verdict is settled. Epilpa stands for three key things. Firstly, it is a platform for sharing the knowledge. Secondly, a nurturing space for rookie consultants to grow there. Lastly, a hotspot for updates and changes in our field. Thank you. Cheers.
Hi, I am sincerely grateful for my journey in Apilpa. The passion for learning and supporting Apilpa's mission is still as strong as it was 25 years ago. I congratulate the entire team and wish you all luck for future. I hope incredible dedication and loyalty from everyone towards Apilpa. Thank you.
Hello guys, on this 25th occasion, I would like to describe about Epilpa. E as an enthusiastic member, P as proactiveness, I as innovative ideas, L as labor law oriented, P as presence pan India, A as ambitious association. This is all about Epilpa. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dayanand Mangaonkar, Honorary Secretary of Epilpa since last 10 years and member of Epilpa right from the day one, the foundation day. Epilpa constituted, instituted and flourished under the able leadership of late Shri Kantibai Pathak has done exponentially well during last 25 years. Epilpa has done excellent job in catering to all the needs of all the members of this association and done very well. During past 25 years, it has seen lots of ups and downs, but never looked back. And this we could achieve only because of the blessings of veteran members of this organization and good wishes of all the members across India. IPILPA is in my heart. IPILPA is pan-India, and now we will take IPILPA globally. IPILPA is unity, IPILPA is togetherness, IPILPA is strength, and IPILPA is platform of knowledge sharing. I wish hearty congratulations to IPILPA for the Silver Jubilee year, and also wish good luck for Golden Jubilee years. See you.
प्रॉब्लम को बोले जा, सॉल्यूशन को बोले आ, यही तो है हमारा एपिल्पा।
I am Dinesh Mota, Managing Committee Member. Wish you a happy Silver Jubilee to IPILPA family. I wish IPILPA keep rising at enormous level. Thank you.
I'm Vinod Dulam. It is a proud moment of every IPILPA member. As an association, we have successfully completed 25 years. I will tell you about the brief about IPILPA. IPILPA provides the knowledge on labor law. Let's celebrate this year as a Silver Jubilee years. Thank you.
एपिल्पा को 25 साल मुकम्मल करने के एक खुशूसी मौके पे मैं सोहेल सामानी सूरत गुजरात से एपिल्पा मेंबर की हैसियत से दिली मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूं। एपिल्पा के इस प्लेटफॉर्म से एम्प्लॉयर्स कंसल्टेंट्स खूब सारे फायदे उठाए। हुकूमत हिंदुस्तान की ओर से बने हुए लेबर कानूनों की ढेर सारी तामील हो और एपिल्पा का नाम पूरे हिंदुस्तान में रोशन हो, ऐसी उम्मीदों और दुआओं के साथ जय हिंद।
Hi friends, I'm Prakash Madik, wishing EPILPA members a happy Silver Jubilee. We will make sure that EPILPA is being known all over India. Be positive and just rock on.
Hello all, I'm Bhavik Cheda. Congratulations to all the EPILPA members for successful completion of 25 years. Wish you a very happy Silver Jubilee. EPILPA has been a fountainhead of knowledge. It has been successful in bringing together consultants and making their relation harmonious. That's why today we are more like collaborators rather than competitors. With blessings of Bapuji and guidance of senior members present and past and the efforts of young, our team has successfully covered the western region of India and made a lot of members. Now it's time to accelerate at full throttle and make EPILPA a pan-India organization in true sense. I request all the members to take up this challenge and make EPILPA more powerful. Do share your knowledge and support the fraternity members to become a better consultant. Thank you very much.
EPILPA is enlightenment. Heartiest congratulations to EPILPA on its Silver Jubilee year.
EPILPA, the Encyclopedia of Labor Laws, completes 25 years. Congratulations.
EPILPA is knowledge. Congratulations EPILPA for Silver Jubilee year.
Congratulations EPILPA for celebrating the 25th anniversary. All the best to you all.
EPILPA. Boss, EPILPA is a fantastic platform for knowledge sharing as well as knowledge upgradation of individual person. Let's join and make a change in your life, in career.
Hello everyone, this is Ami. It is my pleasure to be associated with EPILPA. EPILPA has truly enriched my knowledge. I congratulate the organization on the completion of 25 years of uninterrupted service. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
Hi, I am Hitesh Pathak, proud member of Epilpa. I remember the words of our beloved founder member, late Sri Kanti Pathak, that we started with a few, but now we are many, not only in numbers, but also in talent, knowledge, and creativity. Congratulations to all Epilpa members for completion of Silver Jubilee.
I am Sunil Bastakitri here. I have been practicing labor law consultancy for the last 30-35 years. I have been associated with Epilpa Association since inception. Epilpa is celebrating their 25th Silver Jubilee year this year, and I wish every success and future also.
My name is Vijay Padte. I work as Director General of Employees Federation of India. I am very happy to note that Epilpa has completed 25 years of its long service to the employers, and it is now celebrating its Silver Jubilee. My compliments to them for a great yeoman service to all the employers over a period of so many years. I am personally connected with Epilpa in the last few years, and I have been greatly benefited with the information and with the knowledge that they possess. Some people that I come across from Epilpa are really fantastic and very helpful. I'm very happy to compliment Epilpa and wish them all the best in the times going ahead. Going ahead, we are expecting a lot of changes in the labor laws, and I am sure Epilpa will do its best in providing great services to the employers. All the best once again. Thank you so much.